students today are going to present to the judges. So I'm anxious and really excited to hear what they have to say.
Very nervous, but I'm glad I'm the first one.
People who know kids wear the best, I think, is kids themselves.
I just love the whole set and collection. It's impeccable.
You brought this character to life in a really, really interesting way.
Okay, everyone, let's narrow it down to our top 3.
Today's the culmination of the contest, and I'm excited to hear what the judges have to say.
All the judges are gonna talk about all 6 of them, who they chose, why did they choose them, did they convey what the iconic visual is into the clothes themselves. So let's talk about deliberating.
Amber was my favorite collection. I think that there were some very commercially viable pieces there. I think the colors were perfect for holiday.
I know that I would for sure wear all of these garments.
She really embraced the character. I thought it was terrific.
This kid is on fire.
I think Gary's really clearly inspired by Ariel, but he kept a lot of trend in mind in such a way that it would work on the floor for that age group at the specific retailer.
Gary was a little too glittery for me. I really liked the Letterman jacket and the appliques that he had on the outerwear, but there was a lot of sequins in the collection.
Okay, Sumin.
It looks a little sophisticated for a 10-year-old.
I think it's a beautiful collection. I think she's so talented, but it's just not appropriate for the customer.
Where I think Yuki fell a little short with that older consumer is finding the right trend. Somehow Yuki didn't just fully get there.
I think it really is just too young.
Okay, Oliver.
I really like what he did, but it doesn't feel like it's appropriate for girls. I feel like it really feels more mature.
I like it. I think this is one of my favorite collections.
I really loved Oliver's, honestly. I would for sure wear those pieces and garments. They're just amazing.
I'd wear it, and I'm not a...
Yeah, I think Brielle's collection was a little too masculine. There weren't enough feminine details. She had some great outerwear pieces, but some of the other silhouettes were too simple.
Well, I think that if we were talking about a costume collection, she would win. But I think that it is too costumey, but it's so good that I hate even saying it.
Okay, do we have our top 3?
Yes.
We do.
Definitely.
Now I'm here to present the winners of the 2018 Disney Design Challenge. We challenge the students to redefine Disney princess through their eyes for the teen and tween consumer. Some of the winning designs are going to be brought to life on this JCPenney floor this coming holiday season. Very, very exciting. So without further delay, the winners of the 2018 Disney Design Challenge. In 3rd place, Oliver Zhang.
I feel excited to be one of the top 3.
In 2nd place, we may want to talk about a reality TV series with its family, Gary Zhang.
I thought I would be the 3rd place, but I think the 2nd place, so I'm so excited.
And the winner of the 2018 Disney Design Challenge, Amber Wang.
Oliver's name got called, Harry's name got called. I couldn't feel anything. I was just like, is it really happening? Is it really happening? Thank you so much. I was the last one, which means I won. The 1st place. It's unbelievable.
It's been 4 months since Amber was announced as the winner of the Disney Design Challenge. And we're here today at the Glendale Creative Campus, where we're going to show Amber her designs that have been brought to life in product.
So, this is it. I'm so excited right now.
Amber,
Hi,
ready to see your designs?
yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Come on, let's go see.
It's been a busy 4 months. I think Amber will be super excited, and I hope she's as excited and proud as all of us are here at Disney. Hi, Amber. Hi, Rob.
Amber.
How are you?
How are you?
Good. Good to see you. This is it. The big reveal. Oh my God.
I love them.
is all your amazing hard work come to life. The collection is out of this world. We are so excited about it here.
I was thinking, oh my god, this is so crazy, I can't wait. I'm really glad that the graphic turned out like exactly the way that I designed it. This is really cute too with the lace details. I think it goes back to like the feminine detail of Mulan. Mulan reminds me a lot of my mom. And I think designing for Mulan really, really made me push myself a lot.
Amber's so talented. She had a story to tell, and she tells it through designs and product. The sky's the limit for Amber.
It is so crazy that I would have my collection in store this early in my design career. I'm beyond happy.